What's up, everybody? Right back with another video. So this is what we're gonna be doing. Trying to set you guys up right here.
Take it?
Huh?
Take it? Yeah, take it off. You got it?
Trash can right there. Okay, we're still good. Damn, my lens blurry. Sorry, guys.
Boy's gonna get beat up.
All right, let's ride. All right, guys. Fortunate that no, we're not. What the hell I'm looking at? That chair in here all nice and crushed up. Don't ever do that, guys, unless you're used to it. Don't jump off the side of the truck unless you're actually used to it. You actually get hurt, so. Good boy.
What? Say that again? Say it louder. Say it louder. Say it louder. Say it with your chest. Yeah, how like this? 32. What the for? Ready?
Hey!
Hi.
What the hell you doing, new guy? Bad. He said, you're just standing there. Do something about it. Shit. Drop kick his ass right now. Wow. Well, I love you, man.
I don't love myself.
Yeah, you can. Keisha and them.
That's fucked up. Thought we were boys. They're a girl.
Hey.
Better get your boy. Catch these hands.
up, put him up, put him up.
Well, in one form or fashion, at least it's white on white crime. I'm just kidding, sorry.
No hate crime here.
No hate crime here, sir. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this one, man. We'll see you guys in the next one. We're out.